Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your specific iPhone where, for some reason, the speaker on the bottom is either sounding really weird, maybe it sounds really muffled, or maybe it sounds like the volume is coming up from your specific headset up here rather than your speaker down here. Well, there's a couple ways to fix this. Sometimes, when you're actually on a phone call with somebody, for example, sometimes the sound may actually end up coming out of here rather than the bottom. So, what I'd recommend doing is actually going through and either trying to restart your phone or to end a phone call with somebody or close out of the specific phone call app. Those are a few things you can do right out the gate to pretty much fix it. So what I would recommend doing is powering off your iPhone. So hold up the volume up button and the power button. If you have an iPhone with the home button, you just want to hold down the power button here. You want to slide the iPhone to power it off. So go ahead and slide the iPhone to power it off. And once you turn it back on, you want to go ahead and go back into that video or whatever you were watching. And you actually want to go ahead and see if that actually ended up fixing the issue. Make sure the volume is turned up like this. You may want to turn your phone off to silent mode, and you want to see if it fixed it. Most probably that should have fixed it for the most part, and you should be good to go. Another thing you can do is make your way over to your settings application like this. You want to scroll down until you see sounds and haptics, which is right here. And where it says ringers and alerts and it says change with buttons, if this is kind of set up pretty decent, then you should be good to go. You can also click on headphone safety right here, but typically you don't really have to modify this because you're not using headphones, you're using the speaker of your iPhone, so I wouldn't even mess with that. And then what I would recommend doing is going through playing the song or video again and see if that fixed it. If that doesn't fix it, another thing that may be the issue is you may have a lot of dust or even like water and stuff stuck inside of your phone. You may also have a phone case that's disrupting the audio coming out. So what I'd recommend doing here is grabbing your phone case and maybe taking it off and seeing if the sound is fixed. If not, you can try getting a cotton swab or something and cleaning out the speaker grills down here and even cleaning out the speaker grill up here and seeing if that fixed the issue. Majority of the time, if I'm being honest, you should be fixed and you should be good to go for the most part. If you're seeing that for some reason some applications seem to be having bad audio and other applications sound fine, then that may be a problem with that specific app. Maybe you got sent a bad video or something like that. So you can always go ahead and make your way over to your app store, search up the apps that you are having issues with, and try updating those specific applications. Like I said, a majority of the time, you should be good to go if you just go ahead and do something like this. There may be other issues where for some reason the application may not be working fully or whatever, so you can always update the app and you should be good to go for the most part. So those are pretty much a couple of different ways to fix this specific issue. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.